wants to learn the Running Man?
I want to learn the Running Man.
I want to learn the Running Man.
We want to learn the Running Man.
Who wants to learn to shuffle?
I want to learn the shuffle.
I want to learn to shuffle.
So what is the difference between Running Man versus the shuffle? Fundamentally, these two are the same. The shuffle is the Running Man. The biggest difference between the two is the speed of the music at which the dancer performed this to. In this instructional course, I will teach you to do the Running Man and the shuffle. The main reason why my course is extremely effective is because we use progressive exercise drills to build muscle memory so that you can do this move naturally at various speeds. We start with the basic jumping jack drill, which most people can do. Then we deliberately add minor adjustments to the legs, the arms, and eventually reach our end goal, which is to be able to dance the Running Man and the shuffle at parties, clubs, and any social gathering with music. My name is Seech Soo. I will be an instructor for this course. I believe the Running Man and the shuffle is an essential hip-hop dance move that all must master. Feel free to look through the course description, and we look forward to you joining us inside.